Hi, my name is Sophie Summers and welcome to Sophie's Brew, the first one of 2021. And I can hardly believe it. We're almost at the end of January and time appears to be flying by so fast. And talking of time, I've literally just finished our latest Outfits of the Day video and I'm really excited about it because we will be giving away one of each of the styles in the review. So if you'd like to get your hands on one of them, make sure that you watch the video when it's released, and hopefully, fingers crossed and tinternet allowing, it will be uploaded in the next 24 to 48 hours. So as I say, keep an eye out for that particular video. And whilst I'm on about keeping an eye out for videos, I've had a lot of wonderful feedback from our last video, which was 30 wigs for less than £30. And a lot of people did appreciate the fact that we managed to secure a discount code of up to 10%, I think it was, or £10 on each of the wigs that were in that review. And that's one thing that we are working hard to do on the channel, is to make sure that we review good products and get you the best prices possible. Now, I know that we're all still in lockdown, at least here in the UK, and it's mucking about all our plans. But I did want to spend a couple of minutes just outlining what we've got literally up our sleeve, hopefully in the next couple of weeks and couple of months, because some of the projects we're working on are very, very exciting. Now, the first one that we've been working on, and I'm really looking forward to it, is the Essex Beauty Show, which is going to be, I think it's the 4th to 6th of June, COVID allowing. And the reason why I'm so excited about it, I think the team that are putting it together are young, very, very enthusiastic, and it's going to be a little different than most of the beauty shows that you go to. There's going to be lots of innovative suppliers, retailers showing at the show. And I believe Ryland's going to be there as well, which will add a little bit of fun to it. Now, I'm definitely going to be there, and I would love to see you there as well. Now, when it gets a little bit nearer the time, we know that we're going to be able to issue out some discount codes for the tickets, so that's another good thing to keep an eye out on. But as I said, as we get nearer the time, I'll let you know. So I'm really excited about that one. Another thing is that we are working with Honor. If you're not familiar with the brand name, it's adult clothing and accessories would be a nice way of putting it. We will be popping up to their big retail outlet up in Watford and doing some filming with their team there, and they are a bunch of very happy-go-lucky, easy people to work with for sure, and I'm really looking forward to that. That should be something slightly different. Now, something a little bit nearer and something that's very, very, I suppose, really excited about is actually working on a makeup masterclass with the one and only Jo Harwood. Now, if you've not heard of Jo, she is absolutely brilliant makeup artist. You will find her quite easily by just looking at the name anywhere, basically, but particularly her YouTube channels are fantastic. I will just pop down in the description below a couple of links to some of her work, but she is really good and she's worked with some of the big names over the last couple of years. So I'm really looking forward to her popping into the studio and transforming this face of mine into something slightly different. It's always nice working with different makeup artists because although we know our faces very well, it's always nice for somebody else to whack the slap on, as we say. Another things I'm really looking forward to is there is a company here in Brighton that actually does what they call Bespoke Makeup, which is I'm quite interested in. It's the fact that you pop in and they will mix the lipstick to a shade of your liking, and also they will do a foundation that's just for you, a little bit of a signature look you can develop apparently. And I've had several conversations with the team down there and I'm really looking forward to doing that one also. So there's quite a few things that we've got in the pipeline, but we're always looking out for new ideas. So if there's anything that you want us to cover, we don't have any restrictions. We will do our best to put a video together for you, whether it's makeup, product reviews, and when we are, goodness me, God willing, allowed to get out of this COVID lockdown, we're going to do a lot of videos for sort of places and things to see and do while going out dressed. I'm really looking forward to that, and I'm sure you are looking forward to getting out and about too. So As I say, if there's anything you would like to see us do, that'll be fantastic. We'd love to receive your comments down below because it keeps us on our toes. So I think that's about it for an update at this moment in time. So thank you very, very much for watching. If you're new here and you'd like to receive the notifications, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. All that remains for me to say is stay well, stay happy, but most importantly, stay safe. So bye-bye for now.